Good morning and welcome to my channel Hiking, Fishing, Nature and Animals. I'm standing here in the aviary. In the background our four budgies are eating their breakfast. They have come out of the shelter to do their morning flying, and how this aviary was built is the topic of this video. I'm going to show you how and when and why we built it and what has happened so far. Today it is the first video of a short serial of 2 or 3 clips. Enjoy watching. The story begins in 2016 when my son wants to have a bird. I agree, and consequently we go to pet shops to look for an appropriate cage. The cages we see, however, are much too small. You know, birds want to fly, and so we decide to build one on our own. We buy wood, cut it to the length needed, and tackle the challenge. Our aviary is going to be 177 inches long, 79 inches high, and 59 inches wide. Of course, Samuel is helping me, and here in this picture you can see him nailing the bird wire to the wooden frame of the aviary. The aviary includes a shelter for bad weather, a shelter with a door, and an entrance hole for the birds. Here you can see the shelter when it is almost finished. There is also a big window so that I can watch the birds from outside without going into the aviary. The entrance hole for the birds also gets a little door, and in the following picture you can see Samuel playing a bird and peeking out of the entrance hole. The bottom of the aviary is made of pond liner that is nailed to the wooden frame. The plastic foil is necessary to hold the litter that exists of beechwood chips. Soon the aviary is ready, and we purchase 4 budgies in a pet shop that you can see here in the shelter. A few days later, the entrance door of the shelter is open, and our budgies can fly to and fro and enjoy their life. After a few days we get 3 more birds, so that our little flock of birds consists of 7 budgies now. You can see all colors: blue, yellow, green, and so on. We also buy 4 Chinese quails, because Chinese quails keep the sand clean, in which there are always little critters such as cockroaches or bugs, etc., that are eaten by the Chinese quails. They also eat bird food and are quite easy to keep in an aviary. The 2 males have a white mask in their face, and at the very left and at the very right you can see 2 hens. We also include a nesting box in the aviary that you can see here, because I think that animal welfare includes reproduction. We also fix a few nesting boxes outside, so the birds have the choice if they would like to breed inside or outside. A few weeks later We again buy wood in order to enlarge the aviary a little bit, because the double entrance door is still outside, and we lose a little bit of space that can be used for the birds. Here the construction has been finished and the aviary has reached its full length. We have also planted flowers and plants in there and have decorated the aviary with ropes so that the birds can or have more joy. Soon they occupy the nesting box and begin to nest. Well, that's all for today. In the next serial I'm going to show you the hatchlings, and I thank you for watching this video. If you have liked it, give me a thumb up or subscribe to the channel. See you soon and bye bye.